that requires a whole new shopping haul from Kmart. Hello friends, and welcome back to today's video, which is going to be a vlog style video with a little bit of a Kmart haul thrown in. As you might know, if you've been following me for a little while, I have been working on my bedroom. We were buying new furniture for it because we needed a new mattress. The old mattress had basically done its dash and we needed a new mattress. And because the kids have all grown up, we didn't need a king size mattress anymore. We needed a queen size mattress. So we were downsizing to something a little bit smaller. So that requires a whole new shopping haul from Kmart, which I've got here. So what shall I do? Go through the haul first and then show you what the bedroom used to look like, or shall I show you the bedroom first? Let me just show you through the bedroom how it used to look, and then we'll go through the haul. So the bedroom used to have this gorgeous paneled wallpaper in the background, which I absolutely loved when obviously I had my husband apply it to the wall. But over time, I found it extremely difficult to coordinate anything to that wallpaper because the wallpaper was so intricate and so detailed that really all I could do was use plain colors against it, gray, white. Basically those are the two colors that I tried utilizing to decorate my bed with. So when I got the opportunity of having to change the mattress, it meant that I also needed to change the bed frame and go to a queen size. So I decided to change to something a little bit different, but also take the opportunity of taking away the wallpaper that was behind the bed and replacing it with VJ paneling, which I absolutely love. It is dark. Again, I just like that darkness in a bedroom. It just makes it feel more sensual, so I say, but it just gives it a little bit more character, I feel. And then I decided to go with this bed head here, the Ava bed from Kmart, which got delivered this week. And today is the day that my husband is going to be assembling it and putting it all together for me with a few things that I needed to buy from Kmart. So how's that intrusion into a Kmart haul? A little bit long. Who knows if you're still here? But anyway, I might be talking to myself. All right, so what did I need to buy from Kmart? I needed to get mattress protector. When we bought the mattress from Kmart also, they said that the warranty would lapse unless we actually applied or unless we actually use a waterproof mattress protector on our new mattress. So instead of spending $100 that they suggested I do for something that they had on sale there, I took myself over to Kmart and bought myself a waterproof fitted mattress protector, queen size, for a fraction of the price that they were going to be charging me. So this is going on the bed. And then I need a new sheet sets. So I got myself the Australian grown 500 thread count cotton sheet set from Kmart for a queen. This was a bargain at Kmart, and I think a 500 thread count will be fine for our bed. I'm going to see whether I can reuse the doona that I currently have. The doona that I have on our bed is a super king, so it might be a little bit too big for the bed now that it's a queen, but who knows? We'll see how I go, and I'll try and make it work. And if I can't make it work, then it'll be an option to buy a new doona. And of course, the electric blanket that I currently have on my bed is suitable for a king size. It's one of those wraparound ones, so it's going to be too big for a queen mattress. So while I came out, I asked if they had any electric blankets, and I was told, no, unfortunately, they're a seasonal item. They don't stock them all year round. So I'm going to have to go to Spotlight for one of those. Wandering around the super duper Kmart in the CBD, the biggest Kmart in the world. If you missed that video that I did recently, I'll link it down below or at the end of this video. I saw that James Patterson had a whole heap of new books that I had to sit on the shelves at my local Kmart. So I restrained myself. I only bought one, Private Rome. I haven't read this yet. So that's going on my bedside table for me to read next. And then wandering through the laundry sections, I found some new gadgets that I had to buy and show you. These are the in-wash lint catchers, set of 4. These are new to me. I haven't seen them before. If you have, let me know in the comments below how you found them. They're rubberized, and the way they work is apparently, they're very rubbery and stuck to the plastic. Okay, they're very rubbery. See, like they're very sticky. Yep. and they're supposed to tumble through your clothes in the washing machine and grab all the hairs, which, you know, we've got lots of girls in our family. So we have lots of hair that falls and finds its way onto our clothes, but also lots of pet hair. You can see there's a little paw print here, so it's more for pet hair, which when I wash my sheets and my doona cover is normally covered in pet hair, no matter how much. Segue into the new item that I've purchased, the lint remover. This is a new tool for me. It's the washable lint remover. These were only $4 at Kmart, so they're really good. And so although I tend to use a lint remover or a fluff fur remover on my doona cover regularly, by the time it gets to go in the wash, there's always some residual pet hair. And I find that my washing machine obviously doesn't take all the fur off. So I think if I use this just before I take it off to wash it, and then put one of these or a few of these in the wash, maybe they'll grab all the dog fur and the cat fur off my doona cover. Anyway, that is the plan.
I'm looking up from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Rinse it out, take off the fluff, and it's ready to go again. The in-wash lint catches, I wouldn't bother with. I couldn't see a marked improvement in the removal of lint in my washing at all. And then last from this haul, I couldn't resist. I had to buy myself these Link. They were down to $1 at the store in the CBD. So I plan on either using them like this in black or maybe painting them white. I'll see how I go. If I can find a spot for them as black on a white tray, maybe that'll stand out more. Otherwise, I might paint them. Now I'm debating, should I have gotten two instead of one? My local store last time I was in there, they had them on sale for $3.50. And I thought, oh, James, that's cheap. But for $1, I couldn't leave them in the store. Anyway, enough chitter chatter. Let's go in the bedroom and see the progress that we're making on transforming our old bedroom into the new bedroom. And here is the reveal, the new bedroom. This is a new Ava bed. I've recycled the Target Lila linen quill cover set in flax that I had. I'm thinking that the new colour green that they have now called Time may also work in this space to add some new colour. But I think I'll wait to live in this for a little while and see how I feel about it. I really like the casual look that the linen gives to what could otherwise be a very formal set. And I've combined the pillowcases from my last Spotlight doona cover purchase that used to be on the bigger bed. I think that it goes quite well with the new layout. Let me walk you through. The colour palette is still quite neutral, however the back wall does have that pop of colour that just, I think, adds a little bit of character to an otherwise quite monotone room. I have a synthetic pot plant in the corner here, just so that I can see what a real plant would look like. I'm off to IKEA in the next few days to try and find something more suitable, but a living plant that hopefully will thrive in that little corner there. We've relocated a picture that used to be above the fireplace to above the bed frame because the previous picture was too big for that spot. And relocated the picture that was above the bed to above the fireplace. Hello, Louie. Now sits quite well spaced over the fireplace. And I've been able to find a little spot for another picture that I used to have somewhere else in the house that now sits above that chest of drawers. Hi, Louie. Do you approve? This corner spot is now sectioned off with this charcoal rug that I think just creates a nice little reading nook. I don't have a blanket or a throw over the chair at this stage. I'm not sure what colour to put in there. I'm thinking I might go green with a bit of a pop of pink to pick up the pink in this plant. And that is the final look. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Should I add? Should I remove something? Let me know. I trust your judgments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do please give it a thumb up. Consider subscribing if you're new. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. I will be uploading some more content showing you the renovations that we completed around the house as they're fully completed. I did upload a video about my new office reveal, which I will link down below for you in case you've missed it. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fabulous day, my friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Tick tock, the clock keeps ticking. I don't know what I should do, and I wish you would be right here with me.